নমস্কার, আশা করি সবাই ভালোই আছেন। Today we will be covering Mayapur ISKCON temple. Specially we will share complete details of how to have prasadam in Mayapur temple. We will also share sightseeing experience. In our previous blog, we have already told you about our travel story at Navadvip. We have also given optimized Navadvip tour plan with 15 important places along with authentic food and stay. I request if you have not seen yet, please see the I button or check the description box, the link is given there. I am sure you will enjoy the temples, history, food, everything.
বংভবঘুরে এখন মায়াপুরে শুধু আমরাই ঘুরছি না, ঘুরছো তোমরাও।
It was Ashtami 2021. After giving Anjali to Ma Durga, it was bit delayed to start from Mayapur from Navadvip. Mayapur is reachable from two stations, namely Krishnanagar City Junction and Navadvip Dham. The best option is to come from Navadvip. Stay in Navadvip, then visit Mayapur. If going via Navadvip route, getting down at Vishnupriya will be a better option than Navadvip Dham, as Ferryghat is very closer. From either station, take a toto to Mayapur Ghat. It will cost you around 10 to 15 rupees. Then one has the best option to take a motor fitted country boat ride for rupees 3 or steamer ride for rupees 6 to reach Hulor Ghat. From Hulor Ghat, take another 10 rupees toto ride to reach ISKCON campus. Navadvip lies at the confluence of the Bhagirathi and Jalongi rivers. In this boat ride, you will be able to see mesmerizing view of river Bhagirathi and river Jalongi Holy Sangam. Two different colors of those two rivers are easily visible. From the boat, one can easily spot the largest dome in the world, that is Mayapur temple. It's too sunny today, we forget to bring umbrella. I suggest if you are taking boat, don't forget to carry umbrella. Just reaching to Hulor Ghat, we took sugarcane juices and fueled our energy tank. This road will reach you to the ISKCON temple. After 100 or 200 meter distance, you will get plenty of totos for temple. If you are planning to stay here in Mayapur and did not get temple accommodation, you will get multiple options here for accommodation. In this area, where majorly hotels are located, as the position is too good, nearby bus stand, Ganga Ghat, and obviously it's near to temple. Our plan was to take first prasadam ticket, which normally distributed till 11 am, and then to go for sightseeing. But it was already 11:40, so we directly hired a toto for sightseeing and thought to visit the ISKCON temple at last. We were little bit down as toto driver told us it's too late, you won't get prasadam ticket. Till then, we don't know, some miracle is going to happen with us. We are going to have prasadam being late also. I will tell you that story. Be with us till end. We are at Bollalchen Dhipi. It is a place which is popular for historical significance. The place did not come to the notice of Archaeological Survey of India until 1980s. For over hundreds of years, a 30-feet mound spread over an area of 1,300 square feet had stood a Bamunpukur, a village near the town area of Mayapur. The name has been given by the local people. The name has been derived from the famous ruler of Bengal in late 12th century AD from Sen dynasty named Bollal Sen. Presently, the Archaeological Survey of India has declared Bollalchen Dhipi as a place of national importance. On the top of the Bollal Dhipi, the stairs march with a brick path leading inside the gigantic structure. The passage is narrow, roofless and flanked by high walls. The backside offers a panoramic view of the compound. That day, while coming back from Bollal Sen Dhipi, we witnessed Kazi Bhakto Chand Samadhi. It is said that this tree was planted by Mahaprabhu beside the Bhakto Kazi Samadhi 500 years ago. Now we are at Sri Chaitanya Math, Mayapur. This is the temple which is dedicated to Radha Govinda. Inside are 4 altars dedicated to Vaishnav Acharyas, Sri Madhavacharya, Vishnu Swami, Sri Nimbarko and Sri Ramanujarya. Srila Prabhupada Samadhi is situated here. Stepping down, one finds the monumental marble stone-built Sri Chaitanya Math temple with 29 domes of such formidable heights, considered to be Sri Govardhan Giri of Brojo, where Sri Krishna highly mystic love play with Radhika took place. There are a Radha Kundo and Sham Kundo. It is strictly mentioned, take water of Sri Sham Kundo on head, bathing, washing legs and mouth is highly prohibited. While one looks to the Ishodhyan, a pleasant group on the bank of Radhakundo, the spacious hall in front of the temple is meant for bhajanas daily in the morning, afternoon and evening. Now we are at Mahaprabhu Janmabhoomi. Taking video is restricted here. There is a mild debate about Mahaprabhu's birthplace. I am not going into the debate, but one thing I must say, if you tally both the places, Navadvip and Mayapur, the environment will feel you the real story. Please let me know your opinion in comment box. We have visited Mayapur several times, but this time we came specially to have lunch in Mayapur temple. But as we were too late to get the prasadam ticket, we thought of having in Govinda, which is a veg restaurant in the temple premises. But we are not the person to lose hope very easily. It was our good luck Moidu could able to get ticket even after 1 o'clock for lunch. We were too hungry, but parallelly we are happy that time. First, we directly went to Gada Bhavan for availing the prasadam in lunch. Let me tell you, here lunch and dinner bhog are available at Gada Bhavan and Gita Bhavan from 1 to 2 pm and 8:30 to 9 pm respectively. Coupons have to be collected from the reception of the respective guest house. Bhog at both the places are equally good, but price wise there is difference. At Gada Bhavan, lunch is ₹70, dinner is ₹50 per head, while at Gita Bhavan, lunch is ₹50, dinner ₹40 per head. Additionally, Khichuri Bhog coupon is also available in the morning for ₹30 per head near main entrance. As we were already late and hungry, we directly went to Gada Bhavan. There is sufficient direction board in the temple campus which will easily reach you to the Gada Bhavan. This is Mayapur Tourist Center and beside that Gada Bhavan is located. While in Mayapur, the best place to stay are ISKCON guest houses if one can arrange for it. If planned 1 month in advance, rooms are mostly available through the online reservation portal which I have given in my description box. Alternatively, one can call the reception of Goda Bhavan and inquire. They have 5 guest houses to cater to devotees, but not all are available to visitors. Just at the entry gate, security guard checked the ticket, and with a systematic queue, we reached to the dining hall of Goda Bhavan. The main reception of guest house is in Goda Bhavan along with the Prasadham hall, which fits near about 1000 people in one sitting. If you miss to get the Prasadham ticket, there is the option Govinda restaurant inside, but I must say it's costly. Govinda restaurant is open from 7:30 am to 9 pm. It serves international cuisine as well as Bengali dishes. It gives immense happiness if you think something you won't get but finally you get. The day was like same for us.
আফটার সাইট সিন আমরা দেখতে এসে পৌঁছই এবং লাকিলি আমরা সেই ফোন পেয়ে যাই। আর এখন এই মুহূর্তে রয়েছি এখানে কিন্তু বসে খেতে হয়, দেখতেই পাচ্ছ লাইন ধরে সবাই বসে রয়েছে। আর এখন আমরা ওয়েট করছি কখন খাবার আসবে। ভীষণ হ্যাপি, এটা এক্সপেক্ট করিনি, ভেবেছিলাম হয়তো হবে না, বাড়ি থেকে বেরোই এখানে প্রসাদ খাবো বলে, বাট ফাইনালি কিন্তু হয়েই গেল।
To manage thousands of people, they maintain unique serving style. With a food trolley, 2 people manage distribution of prasadam efficiently. Sitting on the floor, having delicious prasadam, it was great experience there.
এটা একটা সবজি দিয়েছে, একটা বেগুনি, আগে ফ্রাইড রাইস ছিল, সাথে ভাত ডাল।
Here delicious prasadam includes rice, pushpanno, beguni, dal, chapati, mixed veg, paneer, chutney and mishtanno. Mayapur is a place for spiritual tourism, a place for relaxation and rejuvenation of your mind and soul. The ISKCON Mayapur campus houses several architectural feats, including the just opened largest temple, the Temple of Vedic Planetarium. This project includes a Vedic planetarium describing the universe according to the Vedic cosmology. The work is not yet completed, but still you can visit inside from 15th October. ISKCON Mayapur is the world headquarters of ISKCON. Its big campus includes Chandrodaya Mandir, the temple of the Vedic planetarium, Srila Prabhupada's Pushpa Samadhi Mandir, Srila Prabhupada's Bhajan Kutir, Goshala, Mayapur Institute of Higher Education, Bhakti Vedanta Academy, or sometimes called Boys Gurukul, and Sri Mayapur International School. And this is the temple which is also called Old Temple. Here one of the important thing is to attend the Mangala Arati, but it was afternoon, so we couldn't able to attend the Mangala Arati. If you are staying in Navadvip, I suggest you must keep complete one day for Mayapur.
নবদ্বীপ যাইবার লঞ্চের ভাড়া জনপ্রতি ৮ টাকা। মনে রাখবেন টিকিট মূল্য জনপ্রতি ৮ টাকা। হরে কৃষ্ণ।
That day while returning we took launch and within 5 minutes we reached to Navadvip. So this was our Mayapur trip. Thank you.